Hey guys, so in my last video I have the ComfyUI LTX text to video. It outputs save as save animated WebP. You want the output format as MP4, so go to your ComfyUI and Manager, click on Custom Node Manager, search for ComfyUI-video, and then we want to install the ComfyUI Video Helper Suite. Reboot the server after. Add a node video combine. Reconnect PAD code image to video combine image. Change the frame rate to match the WebP frame rate. You can also change the file name prefix. Change the video format to MP4. Enable the video preview. I'm gonna rerun the workflow with the same prompt. When I say the preview, I have the MP4 format. When I look at the MP4 output detail, the file resolution, frame rate, and the length match the workflow setting. So that's the end video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you to change the LTX video workflow to output the MP4 format. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye!